You can see my screen? Yes. So today we will start our English session with facts. Tolerate. Okay, the first fact. Anybody has seen shark, huh? What's this? Is a shark, no? Have anybody seen shark? Yes? Yes, we might have seen in movies and all, no? Sharks, so it looks so scary. Right. And in cages, what you have learned? Baby shark also you have danced, no? Baby shark, tu. Yes. In cages also you have danced for this song also, no? We know what shark is. You know what's the fact behind the shark? We have an interesting fact. A shark is the only fish, it's the only known fish that can blink with both eyes. You know, normally fish won't blink their eyes much, but shark is the only fish which can blink with both eyes. Yes? How do we blink? How do we blink? Both eyes we will close and open. No, that's called blinking, right? When we close and open eyes, that's called blinking. And you know, the shark is the only fish who can blink both eyes. And others won't. The other fish won't do that. Only shark have that speciality as a fish. It can blink both the eyes. Yes, interesting. Now you can ask your friends. Which fish can blink their eyes? You can ask your friends which fish blink their eyes. Its answer is shark. Yes? Yes? Okay, let's go for the next fact. Yes. What's this? Who can tell me what's this? Okay, who can tell me? This is a hummingbird. So many of you might not have seen, but if you go for TV, you might have seen in TV, and some of the parks nearby you might have seen hummingbirds. Okay, hummingbirds' wings can beat up to 200 times a second. Think how fast it might be beating its wings 200 times within a second. Yes, hummingbird wing can beat up to 200 times a second. So within a second, what can he do? It can do. Hummingbirds can beat up their wings. How they do? You can see now they have the wings. They will try to fly. They don't have legs, you know. Hummingbirds don't have legs. So they will only fly. So they beat up their wings to 200 times per second. As because they don't have legs, they cannot stay, they cannot land and pip out something. What they will do? They will beat their wings. They will beat their wings, and for a second they will beat around 200 times. Yes, see, hummingbird, if they want to have any nectar or any like honey sort of thing, no, from the flowers, what they will do? What they will do? Other birds, they have legs. They will be on the branches and they will pick the nectar. On the plant, they will pick the nectar. But hummingbirds don't have legs. So how they will do? So they used to fly. They have to beat their wings so that they can be constant. And it beats up to 200 times a second. Yes? Yes, Girija ma'am, I'm audible, right?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible, ma'am.
Rangana ma'am? Yes, ma'am. Nachi ma'am?
You are audible, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, thank you. Okay, so we learned about shark. Okay, what we learned about the shark? That it's the only fish that can blink both the eyes, right? We have learned about the shark. It's the only fish that can blink both eyes. Okay, and the second fact is hummingbirds wings can beat up to 200 times a second. In a second, it beats 200 times. Okay, the wings of the hummingbird beats up to 200 times a second. And what's the third one? How many sense organs we are having? Yes? How many? How many sense organs we are having? 5, right? What are they? Eyes, nose, yes, tongue for taste, ears to hear, right? And skin to touch, right? So, and we can hear, the hearing is the fastest human sense. It is the fastest human sense. And a person can recognize a sound in as little as 0.05 seconds. See how fast our hearing power is. Hearing power is so fast. In a human body, our ears are the fastest human sense. Yes, if anything happens, what do you do? What do you do? Immediately you listen. I heard a sound. Yes, you will say, I heard a sound. So it is, though we know everything, but this minor things we don't know about ourselves. Hearing, what we are hearing, it is the fastest human sense. If anybody asks which is the fastest human sense of your 5 sense, what you are going to say is the ear or the hearing power, right? Hearing is the fastest human sense. A person can recognize a sound in as little as 0.05 seconds. Yes, within such 0.05 seconds, a person can recognize a sound. Interesting now? Yes, so we learn about 3 facts today. Yes, so tell me dear, what is the fastest human sense? It is hearing. Hearing is the fastest human sense. Okay. Okay, so we learned about 3 facts today. Yes. So what are they? We learned about shark, we have learned about the hummingbirds, and we learned about ourselves. Right? That hearing is the fastest human sense. Right? And now let's start with our bridge course. Okay? It's a recap of your all the first standard things. Yes, we all have learned about noun. Yes, who can tell me what's a noun? What's a noun? It's a name, place, animal, thing. It's a naming words, right? Noun is known as also naming words. Yes. So today we are going to learn about noun. Yes. So what is a noun? What's a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, or a thing. Or animal. Yes. Yes. We can see a place. See, school is a noun or not? Yes. Tell me. Is school is a noun or not? It's a noun? Yes, it's a noun. When anything is indicated, like a noun is a name of a person, thing, animal, or a place, it's all noun. Okay. Okay, so here we can see a pig, a place, a person. It's a thing, and here the person is holding one instrument. Not instrument, it's a what we say. Okay, so it is also a thing. He, with this, that of use of that, he cleans the place. Okay, so animal, place, or a person or a thing is called as a noun. Okay, noun is a name of a person, place, or a thing, or an animal. Yes. Okay, so noun are naming words. Okay, they are also known as naming words. So a noun names a person, place, animal, or a thing. Yes. So a person. Who are the persons? What do you mean by persons? Anyone, your mother, your nurse, a girl, doctor, teacher, a student, all are person. Dad, yes, all are person. So they all indicates as noun. Yes. Similarly, market, church, park, bedroom, playground, everything comes under noun. That's a place. Okay, first come person, then come place. School, then when you go for a gym or you go for market, your film hall, everything indicates as place, which is a noun. Okay, then comes animal. Animals are also known as noun. Crab, frog, lion, peacock, tiger, cow, all are indicating as animals and they are noun. And lastly, we have so many things, right? Kit, clock, plum, blocks, pen. Yes? Who is on unmute? Please be on mute. Yes. And what else? Chair, table, blackboard, pen, chalk, everything is things, right? So they are also noun. Yes? So now who can just circle the nouns? So is pig is a noun? Yes? Yes, pig is a noun. Second, ducks. Is it a noun? Yes?
Sir,
Yes.
no attendance to
Ducks are noun. Sing. What is sing? So action word. So it's not a noun. Then ball. Ball is a yes. Ball is a thing. So it's a noun. Then read is a what? No, it's not a noun. Then comes home. Home sweet home. What do you say? It's a noun? Yes, it's a noun. Home is a noun. Wait. So pig is a noun. Ducks is noun. Then come ball is a noun. Then home. Yes. Then waved. Waved away. No, it's not a noun. Run. This all are action words. No. Yes, it's not a noun. Yes, fish is a noun. Is it fish a noun? Is fish a noun? Yes. Fish is also a noun. Then comes go. No, it's not a noun. Pond. Is pond a noun? Yes, it's a place, no? Where the fish stays. Yes, dear, pond is a noun. Yes and no.
Yes, ma'am. They are repeating, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, very good. Then map. Map is a noun. It's a thing, no. It's a noun. Car. Car is also a noun. Yes. Bike. Yes, bike is also a noun. Swim. No, it's not a noun. Swimming. Doing some actions. No. No, it's not. And drive. No. School.
Run action.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, school is also a noun. Good, good, good. Saw. No, saw is also a not a noun. Clown. Clown. Joker's type. Joker. Yes, clowns are also noun. Park. No, good. Good. Hiding somewhere. No, it's not a noun. Sun.
Run, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Noun. Good.
Run.
Yes. Run is a noun. Is it noun?
Yes, ma'am. Action.
Girl is a noun. Here we have girl. The last time we have girl. Is it a noun?
Yes.
Yes. What? No, it's not a noun. It's an action word. We are walking. No. It doesn't indicate to any place, name, animal or thing. Okay, fast. Past is also not a noun. Yes? Yes. Okay, then we have completed this. Let me check with the next. Okay. So tell me, write the nouns below into the correct column. What is a boy? Is a person, place, or a thing?
Boy.
Boy is a person, place, or a thing?
Person.
So what we have to do? We have so many words here. So we have to take the proper thing. For example, boy is a person. So we will write here. Okay. We will write here as boy. Okay. Yes, boy is a person. Similarly, what is a car? What's a car? Yes, it's a thing. So we will write here thing. Yes, similarly, fireman. Tachiman, they're responding. Yes, fireman is a person. Good. Yes, fireman is a person. Hmm. And next come home. What is a home? Is a place. Good. Yes, good. Then store. Store is a yes, place. Good. So we have written on store. Yes, book. What's a book? Yes, book is a thing. Good, good, good. Very good. Zoo. Zoo. Yes, yes, yes. Place. Zoo is a place. Yes, good. Yes, then waiter.
Cannon is place.
Yes, yes.
Cannon is place.
Waiter. Zoo is a place here. Waiter is a person. We see in restaurants and all, they will come and serve us. Waiter. Okay, is a person. Okay, ruler. Ruler.
They didn't write.
Okay, what's a ruler? It's a thing. Right? No, wait a minute. What's a ruler? Pencil and ruler. Pencil and ruler. Okay. Is a thing. Yes. Is a thing, ruler. Yes. Then baby. Baby. Yes. Yes. Baby is a person. Good. Very good. And what about town?
Area. Place.
Say, very good. Place. Good. Town is a place. And paper?
Paper thing. Paper is paper.
Good. Very good. All are excellent. Very good. So we have completed with this, no? Very good. So all know what is a noun and what does it indicates, right? Now Nachi ma'am is going to continue with another topic, okay? Okay, Nachi ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Yes, children. So we have learnt about nouns, right? So nouns means naming words. You all know that, right? Name of a person, animal, thing, right? And now the next we move on to the next topic, that is articles. What is that? Articles. Have you studied before? Say yes or no in the chat box. Have you studied before? Yes, Nandika. Okay, have studied. Yes. So what is article? Let's see. Okay. We'll do a short recap on this. Article is a word that comes before a noun. You all know what is noun, right? So articles come before a noun. So where have to use article? Let me know in the chat box where you have to use article before a noun. Very good. Yes. So before a noun, you have to use articles. And you all have brothers and sisters, right? We call a, an, and the. These words are called these words are called article brothers. Okay. So who are article brothers? Who are article brothers? What are article brothers? Let me know in the chat box. Who are the article brothers? What are the article brothers? A, and, yes, Meenakshi, very good. A, and the. So these words are called articles, and they come before a noun. Very good, Nandana. Yes, you are very fast in replying. Yes, Ojashvi. Yes, very good, Sadhana. Yes. So before a noun, you have to use articles. Superb, good. And we learned 3 articles, right? A, and the. Okay, so we move on to the next. So we will see when we have to use a, and the. Right? Shall we see? Are you all ready? Yes? Sit right, everyone. Ranjan ma'am, next slide, ma'am. Yes, very good. So we'll see when you have to use a and when we have to use an, right? Next slide, ma'am. Yes. So when we have to use a, we will see now. You know what is noun, isn't it? So what is singular noun? You know that? What is singular and plural nouns? If it is one, we call it as. If we have only one thing, we call it as. Right? Yes, in the chat box or P in the chat box. If we have only one thing, very good. Tanshika, yes, very good, superb. So singular noun. If you have only one thing, it's singular. If we have more than one, what we call that noun? Plural, P, very good. Satvika, Ojashvi, very good. So if it is one thing, it's a singular noun. If you have more than one, we'll call it as plural noun, right? Superb, good. Yes. So one more thing you have to notice. So before what are the nouns, we have to use a. Before consonant sounds, right? The name starts with the consonant sound. We have to use a. For example, right? Very good, Ojashvi. Yes. For example, see this D-O-G. D. Is it a consonant or a vowel? D. D. Letter D is a consonant letter or a vowel letter? Consonant. Yes, very good. Right? C or D. Okay, super good. Yes. So D. What are the consonant letters? See here. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K. All these are consonant letters, right? Other than vowel letters, the rest of the letters we call it as consonant letters, right? Other than vowel letters. So what are the vowel letters? What are the vowel letters? Yes, Ojashvi, very good. Yes, Meenakshi. A, E, I, O, and U. These are the vowel letters. These are the vowel letters. So leaving these letters, the other letters, the rest of the letters are called as consonant letters. So we have to use a before the noun starts with a consonant letter. See, a dog. D is a consonant. So we are writing a dog. Next, chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. The first letter is C. It's a consonant letter. So we are using a chicken, right? And the next letter word is boy. B-O-Y, boy. B is a consonant letter. So we are using a boy. And boy is a singular noun or a plural noun? Boy is a singular noun or a plural noun? Singular. Very good. Superb. Shall we write a boys? Shall we write boys? No, right? Very good. So we have to use only before singular noun. Only before singular noun. A boy, a girl, a dog, a teacher, a lesson, a chair, a cat, right? Only before the singular noun, we have to use a. Okay? Yeah, super. So we have understood that where we have to use a, right? Next, we move on to and. Where and all you have to use and, right? So tell me where you have to use and. We have to use and before a noun. What type of nouns? Shall we use it for plural nouns? And apples. Shall we write? Shall we write an apples? No, an apple means what? It's one apple, right? One apple. So you should not use an apples. So an is also used before a singular noun. Okay, and it is used before vowel sounds. Not only vowel letters, but also you have to check the vowel sound of the word. Okay, you have to check the vowel sound of the word also. So what are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O and U, right? Before these words, before these letters, we have to use and, right? Let's see some examples. Okay, see here. Okay. Dash umbrella. Dash umbrella. You have to see the first word. What is the letter? Starting letter U. Right. U is a vowel letter, right? U is a vowel letter. Yes or no? Yes. So how we are pronouncing that word? You should not. You have to see the word as well as the sound of the letter also. So U is a vowel letter, and how we are pronouncing that word? Umbrella. Is a vowel sound, right? So we are using an umbrella. Okay, you have to see the letter as well as the sound of the letter. As well as the sound of the letter. You have to see that, okay? And see the next example. Dash owl. Dash owl. Yes. See the first letter of that word? O. It's a vowel letter, and how we are pronouncing that? Owl, right? You get the vowel sound also, isn't it? So we are using an owl. And next, IMAGE. What is that? Image. I is a vowel letter. Right? Yeah, you're getting the sound also, right? So you're using an image, right? And next, see that HOUR. H is a vowel letter or not? H is a vowel letter? Is H a vowel? No, then why we are using an? Then why we are using an R? Very good, Nandana. Yes, it's not a silent letter. Okay, silent, okay. So see, you have to check the letter as well as the sound of the letter, right? So while pronouncing that word R, you are not saying hover, ha. The letter sound is H. For H is ha, right? Ha, ha. But while saying that word, we are not saying hover. You are not saying hover. We have to say as R. R. H is silent here, right? And R. So we are giving vowel sound only. So that we are using an. Okay, children? Yes. So an R. And one more example is also there. Honest. HONEST. The first letter is H. Shall we write an or A? What shall we write before honest? And very good, because we are not saying honest. We'll say honest man. Honest. Oh, the vowel sound is coming, isn't it? Yes. So before R, honest, we have to use an. Okay, very good. And next word is enemy. Enemy. Vowel letter is there as well as the vowel sound also you are pronouncing right. Enemy. So an enemy. Right? And the last word is other. Other. So we are getting sound as well as a letter. Right? So we are using an. Okay, so we have done with this A and an. We have one more article, brother, there. We will see in the next classes, okay? Yes? Okay, and now we are going to do exercise on this. Are you all ready, children? Yes. So you know where you have to use A and an. So A and an should be used before singular nouns, not plural nouns, singular nouns. First rule you have to use before singular nouns, and second rule you have to see the letter, first letter of the word. If it is consonant you have to use A. If it is a vowel letter and vowels, if you get a vowel sound you have to use an. Okay, yes, now we are going to do this. What is the first one? Pot. So what do you have to write here? A pot. Very good. I'm getting answer because we have a consonant letter P, right? So you have to say a pot. Very good. And next word, what is that? Gun. 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 Why we are using A here? Can anyone say? Can anyone type it in the chat box? Why we are using A here? A gun. It's a consonant letter, okay, and it is a singular noun also, isn't it? Only one gun is there. Yes, singular consonant, right? Super good. And next word, ELF. What shall we write here? E is a vowel letter, and we are pronouncing that elf. Elf. Right? We are getting the vowel sound, isn't it? So we are writing an elf. Right. And the next word is ant. Ant. Very good. We are having a vowel letter and we are pronouncing ant. Right? Vowel sound. So we are using an ant. Okay, very good. And the next word, PAN. Pan consonant. Very good. Yes. A pan. Yes, it's a singular noun also. Next, nose. What shall we write? A or N? A nose. Very good. Super. And the next word, note. What shall we write? A or N? N-O-T-E. So N is a letter and we have only one note. So using a note. Very good. And next word, what is that? Cup. C-U-P. Cup. Cup. C, a cup, a consonant letter is there, right? And next is donut. Donut. Yes. Only one form of singular word, singular noun, and we have a consonant letter. So we are writing a donut. And next, can, right? A, and next word, a cat. Okay. And next, the last word is kite. So, what we like? A kite. Very good. Super. So, all my children are clear with articles, isn't it? A and an. Right? Yes. And next, we move on to an activity. I want my children to draw this in your rough note. Okay. What is the activity is? You have to color any shape which has a noun in it yellow. So where and all you find a noun, a name of a person, a name of a place, a name of an animal, a name of a thing, you have to color that word in yellow. Do you all understand, children? Yes. And other rest of the words you can color as you like. Okay. So take a screenshot of this and draw in a rough note. Ask your mother to draw in that and write words inside that. And you want to color like this. I want the picture should be like this. See how colorful is it, right? It's a nice activity, isn't it? So we have to color the noun Have to color the noun with what color? With what color you have to? Yes, tell me in the chat box. Yellow color, yes, Tejashvi. So see, what are the words inside? Bird, hat, turtle, shirt, game, apple, puppy. You have to read the words without getting help from your parents, okay? Your mother will draw and she will write and give you. You have to read the words, okay? So you have to color accordingly. So noun with yellow color, right? Other words and then you can color it as you like. Can you share? Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, sure. Okay. So, will you all do that, children? Yes?
Yes.
You will do that? Very good. Superb. Yes. So, what are the two topics we learned today? Tell me. What are the two topics we learned today?
Nouns.
Okay, good. Next.
Noun article.
Articles. Very good. Superb.
And the article.
Very good. A and the. So what these words are called as? Article?
Article.
I told you one word, isn't it? Article? Article? Brothers. Right? Don't forget this, okay? So when you have to use article before a? Very good. Nandika, good. Ojashvi, before a noun. Okay, so if someone is asking you what is the article, what do you have to say? You should not say a and the alone. You have to say as article is the word that is used before a noun. Okay. Yes, children, you never say that? Yes? Okay, very good, children. I hope you all enjoyed this class. Yes? Have you all enjoyed this class? Yes, Jai. Nidal. Okay, so you should not stop with this learning. After the session gets over, what you have to do? You have to find what are the nouns in your home. What are the words, naming words you can find in your home. Okay, and tell it to your parents. Okay, so where all you find your nouns, write it down. I have seen a fan, chair, right? Pencil. What are the nouns you are seeing around, surrounded by yourself? You check that, write it down, and show it to your parents. And next, what you have to do? You have to do this coloring activity. Tell your mother to draw this, and you have to color, and you have to show it to us. Okay, children? Yes. Okay. Yes, Ranjana ma'am, do you want to share something?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. You got an activity, right? So Nachi ma'am has given you activity to do at home. So what are the nouns is around you? You have to write a name of it, like fan, tube light, table, bed. Okay, your mama, your father, everybody. Okay, so that we have to make a list. At least 20 noun you have to write, right, and show us. Yes, all will do.
And you have to add A1 and
And we have to add a and an also, that we will, where we should use a and where we should use an. That words also you have to write, at least 10 words you should write for it, where we can put articles a and an, right? You will all will do, right? Say done. Very good. Yes. Very good. Okay, then let's wind up the session then.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, dear. Bye. Have a nice day.
Okay, children. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.